Have you been looking for that finishing touch for your home bar? Maybe the perfect gift for the bourbon connoisseur in your life? Or maybe just that one little upgrade that can set your fine establishment apart from the rest? Let me show you this beautiful walnut flatboard we're working on here at TriStar Woodworking Creations that probably fit the bill for you. We'll start by getting some of this beautiful walnut milled up, get a straight edge on it with the wind track saw, then get it down to size on the table saw before we throw it on the CNC. Once we're over here at the CNC, we'll start out by using a 30-degree V-bit from our friends over at IDC Woodcraft. Then we'll switch to a flat bottom end mill to get the pockets cut out for the bourbon glasses. Alright, and once we're off the CNC, man, this thing's already looking good. Take some time to get the chips picked out of the carved area here before we go any further with it. Alright, after we get all the chips out, start hitting it with the sander, starting at 80, going up to 220 here, our normal. Just using the 5-inch orbital sander here. Get the front and the back. And this is where that little detail sander really shines, getting the tool marks out of these small pockets and tight places. Just going to put an 1/8 inch round over on here, gives it a little bit more refined look than just leaving them at the 90-degree angles there. Now the time we've all been waiting for, that oil. Man, look at that grain. This is why we love working with walnut right here. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely, look at that.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
Starting on the front side now. Make sure we get all that oil down into the nooks and crannies. For those of you who don't know, that's Southern for cracks and crevices. Get it worked in there real good. We'll let that sit on there for about 10 or 15 minutes.
Oh, look at that. That's nice and shiny.
Alright, now we're just getting everything buffed off here with a clean microfiber. It's set for about 15 minutes. Wood soaked in everything it wanted to take. Now, wouldn't this thing look awesome sitting at your home bar, local watering hole? We'd be happy to make one for you to sit your bourbon glasses on. We appreciate you watching. If you like this, make sure you like, subscribe, comment below what you'd like to see next.